Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1950 Chevy Fleetline Deluxe. Now this is what I call a real greaser car here. Got a nice dark purple paint job. A little bit of a lowrider, but as you see here, we got a nice little interior. A little modern upnight great gauges here. In fact, this car even comes with AC. You see our aftermarket unit here. Very nice little driving car, very sweet with the white wall tires on it. Definitely gives it that 50s look that everybody's trying to look for. Now, since it's the end of the day, we're going to try to give it a little brake test right here, even though there's a car behind us. Brakes pick up very well. Grabs really well. I like the nice little touches they put in here, like this Chevy steering wheel. Can't say exactly which car it came off of, but definitely a really sweet driving car. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around before it starts raining again, put her on the lift, and you can take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.